Hey guys, I'm Dwayne Estes, Executive Director of the Southeastern Grasslands Initiative, and I am here on the Tennessee-Kentucky state line. Exit 1 is just behind me. There's a rest area here, and I'm along Interstate 24 near Clarksville, Tennessee. And we're working on an exciting project with the Tennessee Department of Transportation. Just beyond the first rest area that you come to within the Tennessee state boundary, exit 1 is about another half-mile down, and we've got an exciting 24-acre prairie that's going in. 24 acres on Interstate 24 at exit 1. And I'm going to shoot another quick video in a minute to show you where that prairie is going and what we've been doing up until now. But in a couple of years' time, you're going to be able to stop at this rest area where there's a beautiful sort of log cabin there, and they've got a little museum area, and you're going to be able to read about the historic grasslands of this region, we call the Pennyroyal Plain, and you're going to be able to learn about some of the things that the Tennessee Department of Transportation is doing to improve and recognize the value of pollinator habitat and the value of our native grasslands along its interstates and highway systems. So we're really excited about this partnership. As you can see, there's a very busy section of interstate, and we're optimistic that this is going to play an important role in the education as passersby and travelers from all across the country stop here. Hopefully this can serve as a model for many other areas across the country. So we really appreciate TDOT, and I'm excited to go down and show you our 24-acre prairie restoration area. Thanks, guys. Thank you for following the Southeastern Grasslands Initiative. Be sure to stay tuned in to our newsletters. Check out our website at www.segrasslands.org, and you can learn more about this project. Thank you.